everybody, how you doing? So today's goal is to get you set up with the 5-minute meditation. If you haven't tried the 3-minute meditation yet, I would probably go check that out first, get used to doing 3 minutes, and then as soon as that starts feeling easy, then jump in on this 5-minute one. If you've done the 3-minute meditation, you'll find that the only thing that we're adding here is something that you'll hear called a body scan or relaxation technique. The relaxation technique that I'm going to use comes from the Hermetic Magicians. And then we're going to go right into the meditation where we're just purely concentrating into one point at the top of our head. Okay? So get ready to go. Close your eyes. I'm going to get these wonderful Tibetan bells ready for you. Sit up straight. I don't care where you're sitting, how you're sitting, as long as your spine is straight. That's all I'm concerned with right now. We'll get into asana and all that stuff a little bit later. But for now, I'm just trying to get your legs underneath you so that you can build up a habit every day. Okay? So your eyes are closed. Here we go. Hopefully your eyes are closed. Take a few deep breaths. Just calm that body into your seat, however you're sitting. Try to find your center of balance by just tipping yourself backwards and forward a little bit and finding that perfect center of balance so that you're not bothered by your posture as you meditate. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to imagine a golden ball down at our feet. If your legs are crossed like mine, that's fine. Just imagine the ball is just covering your feet. And in that ball is total relaxation. It's just a gold ball of brilliant relaxation. Okay? Imagine it on your feet. If you need to move them a little bit and then relax them, that's fine if they're overly tight. From there, I want you to gradually see that ball move up to your calf area and feel that golden ball just making everything relax as much as you can. Just loosen it and let it go. Release those muscles as much as you can. Follow it up to the knees. Really release there. If you need to tighten and release, that's fine. Slowly move up to your quads, next part of your leg, hamstrings. I want you to squeeze a little bit and release, right? Just let those muscles really loosen as much as you can let them. Up into your hip area and your buttocks. You want to loosen all that stuff as much as you can. Once again, if you need to tighten and release to really get a good relaxed situation going, don't be shy to do that. Up into your belly region. Now really let go here. This is where we hold so much of our tension. Just release it. See that ball moving up your torso. If it had to break off into 2 separate pieces, well, now that golden ball rejoins into one big, super relaxation ball. Just feel that positivity, just releasing everything. Slowly move up from your middle center, up into your chest area, heart, chest, back. Just let it all go. Release as much as you can. This is an important part of meditation. Feel that ball come up and release your shoulders. Maybe they have 2 little golden balls that offshoot and start to relax your arms, your biceps, and your shoulders, and your elbow, all in one piece. Just let it all go. Watch it slide down to your forearms and into your fingers. Release those hands. Shake them out if you need to, right? We use our hands all day. Give them a good break. Just put them on your knees if you can and just let them really relax. See that ball continue upwards through your neck, into the face, passing through your mind and your eyes, all the way to the top of your head. Now focus your concentration right at the top of your head, sahashrar chakra, right where your soft spot was when you were a baby. And just focus there and just go to normal conscious breathing. Focus as much as yourself as you can up at the top of your head. We'll do this for 3 minutes. I'm going to be quiet now. When it's over, I'll ring the bell to bring you out of it. Slowly open your eyes. Welcome yourself back to reality. How'd that go? Did you release all your thoughts? Did you not attach to anything? Did you just keep releasing and keep refocusing at the top of your head? If you did, if you tried, then you did the practice. So that's 5 minutes. You can do that basically anytime. Just sit down where you're at and make it happen, whether it's on a train or in the car, hopefully as a passenger. Just find places where you can get this done, and you can gradually start picking up time throughout the day where you'll actually be spending 20 minutes, half hour meditating, not all at one time, and then we'll gradually expand that. If you spend more time with any of this, I would really recommend that you spend more time with the end practice. You can do the relaxation as long as you want to, but the secondary practice is really not the secondary practice. That's really the main focus of what we're trying to get done right now. And I'll explain the theory and the philosophy behind what we're doing and why in videos coming up really soon. I hope that helps you. And also, I'm gonna put out a simple training wheels timer video so that if you wanna do this, the 5-minute meditation, without listening to me yakking over it, I'll just start it with the bells, give you another bell at the 2-minute mark so you know when your relaxation technique should be done. And then after 3 more minutes, I'll let you meditate. I'll ring the bell again, and that's it. I'll give you a nice set of training wheels to get this going without me yakking at you the whole time. Sound good? Like and subscribe for more meditation tips and techniques. See you soon.